Here's what my thoughts are. Number one, I think some people would buy this property and leave it just the way it is. It's income producing. It's bringing in, $36,000 to $40,000 a year now with just the way it is. So some people will do that. So option one is just you buy it, you leave it exactly the way that it is. Okay, option number two is what I think is a better option for most people. You buy it, you finish the upstairs out. So currently we have apartment in the front, we have apartment in the back, and we have a detached structure. This house is 604 North Maple. The separate structure is 110 Chestnut. So again, option number one, you leave it all the way it is, you let that income come in. You let this property continue to appreciate, and you just rock on. Option number two, you renovate the upstairs space. So that's gonna take $50,000 to $100,000, depending on how much work you wanna do. If you wanna sub it all out, you're probably closer to the 100 grand. If you wanna do some of it yourself, so be it. So when you finish that upstairs structure out, that's $15,000 to $20,000 more a year you're gonna be able to bring in there. Take another bit of money and upgrade the downstairs area. So the front apartment, the back apartment, the detached structure. There's so much original, so much of this house is original to the turn of the century. Renovate that, bring that back, make that your primary residence. And look at this beautiful area you have on North Maple and Chestnut. You are a 5-minute walk from downtown square. All of the downtown businesses and eateries, so it's really cool with that. Option number four is even more exciting than the first two, and that is the seller spent the last 18 to 24 months working with the city of Murfreesboro, planners, architects, engineers, designers. So she has approved taking all these structures down and putting in a brand new multiplex, multifamily project. It's beautiful, it's modern, and who knows what the income off that would be. How do you want to use it? Do you want to use it as all short-term rental? And if you do that short-term rental, then again, the sky's the limit. And the same thing applies here now. You could convert all of this to short-term, Airbnb. So those are the four options that I see. There's many more out there, but these are the four primary options. Buy it, leave it the way it is. It's a good return the way it is. It's in the heart of Murfreesboro. It's going to continue to appreciate. Number three is renovate it for a primary residence. That would be fun. And number four, of course, is tear it all down, utilize the plans that the current owner has approved through the city of Murfreesboro, and build back this amazing multiplex structure here. And I think the best thing for you to do, or anybody that has an interest in this to do, is reach out to me directly, reach out to your agent, reach out to another Elam representative, and let's bring you over, tour the property. Let's look at it. Let's look at investment options here in the heart of Middle Tennesse, in the heart of Murfreesboro.